Hello friends, this is Prateek Vyas from 19 Mobiles and today I have Poco X3 with me. As you can see, the phone comes with this glossy finish. At the back you can see the rounded camera module, Poco branding. On the right spine you can see power button which works as a fingerprint sensor, volume rocker. On the left spine you can see SIM tray. At the bottom 3.5mm jack, USB Type-C and the speaker grill. Up top IR blaster and secondary microphone. At the front you get 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display which has 90Hz of screen refresh rate, 450 nits of brightness, Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and the PPI of the display is 395. Now let's talk about the camera. So it has 64, 13, 2 and 2 megapixel quad camera setup. The 13 megapixel is the ultra wide, the 2 megapixel is the macro and another 2 megapixel is the depth sensor. On the front you get 20 megapixel front camera, and in all the lighting conditions you will get decent results from both the cameras. For the battery you get 6000 mAh of battery with 33 watts of fast charging. For the software you get Android 10 with MIUI. For the performance you get Snapdragon 732G processor which works on 8nm fabrication, and for the multitasking you get 6GB or 8GB RAM option, so definitely your multitasking will be buttery smooth. And for your storage you get 64 or 128GB of storage. So that's all for the Poco X3. Thanks for watching.